I'm Bola Ajayi by name, and people call me Big Hoods. Yeah. So I do front-end development for Zacrac, and it has been like maybe 3 years now. Yeah, I'm just a community person. I like to hold events, hang out, just go for events. That's what I do majorly. I'm not that gentle, but I have this gentle face, yeah. So, yeah, I think I'm quite focused, organized, and disciplined a bit, yeah. I work on the web application we are building, which is an e-learning platform. So we've been working on the design, converting the interfaces to main web pages, then trying to bring all the courses together, like getting the videos, the images, the pricing, putting it inside a card, then uploading it to the platform, whereby people can, our users, which are the customers, can actually have a good use of the platform from taking the course, like viewing the course, and paying for the course, and actually watching the video and educating themselves about data science. I can't lie, it has been challenging because when I came, I thought it's actually maybe community stuff. When I came here, I was challenged to actually learn to sit and think. Yeah. So all the way it has been growth, especially then working with teams, like with my co-workers. Yeah, something I enjoyed. I'm introvert when I need to be, and I'm extrovert when I need to be. I'm both, yeah. They should think I'm cool-headed now. Yes, I want people to know that I'm cool-headed. Yeah, to think or to believe or to perceive any of those. Yes, I am, like sometimes. I love singing, I love dancing, I love reading, and I love going out, like hanging out, volunteering. That's what I love doing. Song, okay, Nine Lives by Asha. Yes. And I don't know it offhand now. Okay. Yes. Nice kind of way. I'm more kind of take. Here is how honest from those who are safe. Mama say you belong. You just have to be strong. No one understands. No one really cares. I'm singing. Hoping you hear me now. I'm singing. Someone can pull me out. I'm a girl with 9 lives. You only kill me 3 times. I think it's speaking to me personally. No, not like I have 9 lives. Like the lyrics is somehow for every girl child. Like, yeah, you can't change. I would have gone for the legislative arm. I believe honorable advocacy, community. Yes, I don't like it when I see my people suffering. I don't want to impress. I don't like everybody to know me. But I don't like it. I just want to be behind the scene, just making the law and some people follow it. My favorite staff, Mr. Gabriel. Mr. Gabriel is my friend. Yeah, thank you. Peace out. Bye. I know that.